This is the entrance elevator at the IKEA in Merriam, Kansas. It's an MEI. And unlike the charm, it's actually working. They have a door open, so you can use this one to go because the charm one's broken and there's just one here. This is a very nice door, though, I have to say that. Watch the U go out and let it back down on him. Ginormous, like your typical IKEA elevator. Watch the indicator now. These MEIs take a while to switch. Decorator fixtures. Probably my favorite innovation line. Prestige is good too, though.